Hi, this is FakeHR, an AI powered resume and employee data generator app. We will take a demo session of this app. After clicking on the GitHub repos account link, we are here in the login and create account section of the app. After login, you can also create account over here, but I have account. I am going to login directly. Here you can select the how many of datas you want, how many rows of data you want. Like you can also select the defined fields, whatever the fields you want in your data. You can add any custom field in that also. Like I want to generate two data. I'm going to generate it. Here you can see the data is generated. Two rows of data is generated over here. We are going to generate resume now. Resume generation is powered by the Google Gemini API. Here you can see one of the resume is generated for the Cordy Jordan and another one is for the Doris Thompson. You can also download it from here. You can see it is downloaded. After downloading, you can also download it in the form of zip, Excel, JSON and CSV file. Here you are also given the option of the rating. You can rate it over here, leave a comment for further more users who will come to use it. History is also given here. Here you can see like there is also option for the downloading the resume which you are created, at what time you created and what amount of the resume you had created. You can see it over here. And for which person you had created the resume. Fake data is also here. What type of fields you had used. You can also download in the CSV and XLSX form. After that, you had given with the option log out. You can log out. Have a look to my app. I'm pinning it into the comment box and also in the description box. Hope you will like it. Tell us in the comment box whatever you think.